Yum, nothing's better than homemade tortilla chips, and they are very simple and easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here are your ingredients. And next you want to take your tortillas, lay them out, and you want to cut them down the middle. We're making nice little triangles, and then you want to cut them down the middle on the other side. And boom, guess what? You have triangles, and they look like this. Next, you want to have your oil, and you want to heat it to 350 degrees, and then you want to drop in your tortillas one at a time. But try not to overpower the pan, because then they won't cook properly. So then you want to take and you want to flip them, and you want to get them until they are nice in a medium, very light brown. Try not to overcook. Have a paper towel laid to the side, season them with your favorite seasoning, and boom, there are your tortilla chips. Wonderfully delicious, crunchy, and awesome. Serve them up with all of your favorite sides. And here are my sides that I'm having with my tortilla chips. Happy Cinco de Mayo! Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.